Hi guys, welcome back to my channel in my kitchen. Today we are meeting and I'm going to show you the best recipe ever for my favorite pizza. So I don't know any kind of person who doesn't like pizza. I think everybody loves it. It's perfect for kids, perfect for family, for guests. Like when you're meeting everybody, it's just perfect way to spend the time and share delicious recipes. So today I'm going to show you my favorite recipe for pizza. So stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and let me know what do you think. Start with preheating the oven for 250 degrees. I'm starting to do my base with the Thermomix, but you can do it by your hands. You will need 340 grams of flour, 180 milliliters of warm water and 30 grams of fresh yeasts, 20 milliliters of oil, a little bit of salt, and now I'm leaving all the ingredients to combine. Meanwhile, I'm cutting the baking foil on the tray. I'm spreading around a little bit of flour and work a little bit with my dough. And now it's time to create the size and the shape you like. And transfer into the baking tray. And leave the tray in the warm place. To prepare perfect pizza sauce, you will need 1 onion and 2 garlic, and mix it everything together for a few seconds. Add a little bit of oil and fry it for a moment. Now is the time to add passata. If you don't have passata, you can use regular tomatoes or canned ones. And seasoning to the taste with the salt, pepper, thyme, oregano, and basil. And blending for a few seconds. Now you can put your sauce on the pizza base. I'm adding my favorite toppings, which are mushrooms, canned corn, and cheese. Now I can put the pizza into the oven for lower part and bake it for 10 till 12 minutes. And it's ready to go. At this stage, I'm adding a little bit of extra toppings, which are fresh pancetta or prosciutto ham, and then I'm adding a little bit of rocket and jalapenos. And now I have the best time of the movie, so it's taste test. I'm gonna try the pizza. Can't wait. Right now, everybody waiting for me to share with them, isn't it? Yes? Yes. It's yummers. Very good. I have beer to that because we're all staying home. Don't drink and drive. And yeah, I think it's really good. Let me know what do you think about this recipe and which one is your favorite ones. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you around on the Instagram and in the other places. Take care, stay safe, wash your hands.